So from broccoli soup to pesto gnocchi. I'm feeling good, comforted, comfort food, but a little heavy. I think we need to go, for something light to top this evening up, so we can go home and say, that was a nice meal.
Something light, fluffy, airy.
What do we have?
Something like a ballerina's feet.
A kiwi pavlova?
Kiwi pavlova!
My God, I can't believe this. I was thinking the same thing.
The pavlova is a dish named after the famous ballerina Anna Pavlova that was created by a New Zealander after being inspired.
My God. So shall we do the same thing? I mean, you are my inspiration.
And you're the ballerina?
So shall we start, I think, with the meringue, okay? Because it's an easy dish.
Okay.
So what I'm going to make first for you, Natasha, my inspiration,
Nikhil, my ballerina.
is the egg white and beaten to make the meringue. Because the meringue takes all of a very short time of 3 hours.
But you can make it in advance, so when you do have the time, make it in advance. It keeps for about 2 weeks.
2 weeks, 7 to 14 days, I would say. So let's start on the meringue first, yeah? So let's go with the egg white first.
Okay.
So there are 3 eggs over here. If you can just...
Get the whites.
Yeah, get the right white. You want to clarify.
Clarify.
Clarify the egg whites. You can clarify butter, you can clarify egg whites. So right now we're clarifying the egg whites. We're separating, it's the same thing as separating the yolk from the white. It's called clarification.
Okay.
So while you do that, actually it's clarifier, but I've just made it up, which is also beaten. As you can see, I have something called a crema here. It's a great investment to have in any kitchen. So I'm going to show you this way, and I'm going to show you the traditional way, so you guys know how to do it, because you don't have to buy a crema. It's a little expensive, but me being the aspiring chef, or actually the no chef, you're the aspiring chef, right? I like to invest in crema. Okay, so how are we doing?
Good.
Okay.
Working on my last egg. Clarification of the last egg.
Okay, fine. So you've got the
Egg whites, 3.
clarification of egg whites, perfect.
Please.
Okay. Why don't you give me a little pinch of salt? This will hasten the process of my egg whites getting stiff. That's fine, that's great. The peaks are forming. I need the sugar right now, Dasha.
All of it?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's get good. That's fine.
So it's a gradual thing to put the sugar in?
Yeah, you should go gradual. So finally we can see we've got our whipped egg whites. Ready for the meringue?
Ready.
Do it. Get some butter paper out, which you can get from any market. Okay. And we're gonna place our meringue on the butter paper. Like that. How's that?
Looking good.
Looking good. Like
What's the next step?
Spatule, very important for any dessert chef. You're going to sprinkle some of the almonds and the pistachio on for me. Perfect. There's almonds.
Slivered almonds.
Lovely. Look at that. It's going to taste supreme. Supreme. So we do the cutting.